Michigan, and now includes the following counties: in Illinois, Boone, Duckfield, and LaSalle. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is your forecast for Rockford and surrounding communities. Severe thunderstorm watch 361 in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. For tonight, a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and large hail.